What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Discord installation has failed. We will talk about the method and the steps you have to use to fix this problem, so watch the complete video. And just in case if our method do not help you to fix your error message, then you can visit to the forum page and there you can ask your question. Simply sign up to the forum page and ask your question and make sure to attach the screenshot of the error message so that we can understand the problem and give you the answer as per the problem you're facing. Now let's talk about the methods you have to use. Method 1. Reset file directory. Here we need to reset the file directory. For that, first you need to close the Discord application running in the background. For that, click on this icon tray and do a right click on the Discord and click on Quit Discord, and make sure you check the background running services of Discord using Task Manager. Simply do a right click on the task bar and you will find Task Manager. Click on it. Here scroll it down, you will find Discord application running in the background. All the file services related to the Discord running in the background, simply select it and click on End Task. After this, check all the services related to Discord running in the background or not. Simply scroll it down, and if you find any services, simply select it and click on End Task. After this, press and hold the Windows icon key on your keyboard and type appwiz.cpl. Click on OK. Here you will find Discord application. Simply select that, click on Uninstall. After this, press and hold the Windows icon key and then press R again, then type app data. Click on OK, and here click on roaming. You will find Discord folder. Simply select it and delete it from your computer. Same thing you have to do in the local folder. Open it, select Discord folder and delete it. After doing this, open any browser you have like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome or any other browser. In the search, type download Discord. Click on this link. Click on Download for Windows. After downloading, open the file. This will take some time. Alright, here you can see Discord is running in our PC. Method 2. Set up Discord with 7-zip. For to set up the Discord with 7-zip, first you need to understand your operating system type. For that, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, click on System, scroll it down, click on About. Here you can see your system type. It's 64-bit operating system. Now open a browser. Here you need to type download 7-zip. Click on this link. Here you have to click on the link as per the bit version you have. If you have 32-bit Windows operating system, then click on this one. If you have 64-bit operating system, then click on this one, or you can select the other options as per your requirement. I'm selecting this. After downloading, click on Open, click on Yes, click on Install and close it. Now let me move the file from download to desktop. Alright, here you need to do a right click on Discord setup. Take your cursor on 7-zip and click on extract to Discord setup. Select the folder, Discord setup folder, do a right click and click on cut and click on File Explorer afterwards. Click on this PC, click on local disk C and paste the folder in here. Now open the folder, do a right click on this one, Discord 1.0.9144 full, do a right click, take your cursor on 7-zip and click on extract to Discord full. Now open the folder, click on this folder, live, on this one. Now here you will see Discord icon, do a right click and take your cursor to send to and select desktop. Once you'll have the Discord shortcut on your desktop screen, simply open it. Here you can see Discord is opening up. I hope our method will help you to solve your problem, and just in case if you do not find your solution on this video, you can visit to the forum page and there you can sign up and ask your question. And make sure to attach the screenshot of the error message so that we can understand the problem you're facing and give you the proper response and correct answer as per the problem you're facing. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.